You are also recommended by the Canadian and the US consulate in Mexico for if anybody needs any orthopedic surgery help. What did it take for you to earn that trust?
My name is Dr. Max Greig. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It's in the central west coast of Mexico. I was born and raised in Mexico. I grew up in this country, went to medical school here, and did all my undergraduate work in Mexico. Then I did a year of fellowship in sports medicine in Texas. I was granted a special scholarship by the German government, and I went over there for 2 years and completed a whole fellowship in joint replacements and in back surgery. I also belong to many of orthopedic associations. I belong to several international ones, such as American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, and American Association of Hip and Knee Surgeons, and American Association of North America for arthroscopy surgeons. Actually was one of the founders of a medical school and nursing school here in Puerto Vallarta.
You are also recommended by the Canadian and the US consulate in Mexico for if anybody needs any orthopedic surgery help. What did it take for you to earn that trust?
Offer patients plan A, plan B, and plan C. And many people come for me for second opinions, and I see the problem, and I tell them, this is not still surgery. You don't need surgery at this point. You need physical therapy. You need to improve your muscles, build up your core muscles, build up your quads, hamstrings, change some of your habits. Maybe give them a lube job in their joints, lubricate their knees or hips. Things that you don't rush them into surgery. So they kind of like that. So they encounter a doctor who, I'm not after the money, I'm after helping people and resolving their issues. Even though if I don't even earn something, it's okay. I'm helping someone out. The university needs to send something more to me. I gain the trust and respect of consulates, and they see that because some doctors are knife happy. They want to do surgery all the time. And yes, surgery is a way of fixing the body, but first you have to let the body do its part as far as it can go, and then you go into surgeon and help the rest of the way. But you have to understand the body's already participated in trying to heal itself. You just have to help it along. That's when you get good results.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.